so annoying.
And they just start out of nowhere.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
Fuck around with the same clique, but not with the same prick. How you gonna leave me in my prime for the same shit? I'm so anxious I can't walk. Paralyzed in my legs and my brain glitch. Should've stuck to my head but my heart itch. Should've stuck to my guts but my thoughts switch. Should've stuck to my... It was never complicated. When she found it's on to realize my hatred. Fuck around and find your feelings sacred. I feel like every day's getting wasted. Fuck on me for the time being, I'll be here. Pull up to the show and I wanna be there. 16, I'm sick blowing the speakers. You can't talk to my bros if you're a tweaker. Feel me, I'm drowning in devotion. Heal me, I can't face myself broken. So I hide it all with my bank, cause it's protection. Maybe I don't gotta explain why I'm jealous. All I want is money and fame. I don't want sex, bitch. My ego precious, I got a death wish. Fuck around with the same clique, but not with the same prick. How you gonna leave me in my prime for the same shit? I'm so anxious I can't walk. Paralyzed in my legs and my brain glitch. Should've stuck to my head but my heart itch. Should've stuck to my guts but my thoughts switch. Should've stuck to my... It was never complicated. When she found it's on to realize my hatred. Fuck around and find your feelings sacred. I feel like every day's getting wasted. Fuck on me for the time being, I'll be here. Pull up to the show and I wanna be there. 16, I'm sick blowing the speakers. You can't talk to my bros if you're a tweaker.
Bro, all the fucking time. Oh, dude. That is just the fucking most annoying thing ever. These fucking mosquitoes. Just trying to have a good flight. That last flight was pretty good, but...
Yeah, but then at the end.
Man, this is a really nice spot though.